Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix error 277 on your Roblox mobile app. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and this is how I fixed it. So firstly, I just closed my Roblox app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, then what I did in here is that I firstly scrolled down and then I clicked on general in here. So I clicked on general and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. In here, I just scrolled down and I clicked on storage in here. And now just simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all the apps in here. Now in here, just swipe up like this as you can see until you can see the search bar up top. Click on the search bar, search for Roblox, click on the Roblox app. Now just click on offload app and once again click on offload app. This shouldn't by the way log you out of your account, just so you know, and just click on the reinstall app button here. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times. Now just wait for the app to completely update to its latest version. So this is basically going to force your Roblox app to update. So just wait for it to update completely to the newest version when it's done loading here basically. So then go back into the app and hopefully now it's working for you as well.